Welcome back, folks, to another episode of Capital Markets Quickie. My name is Endrit Cela, and I'll be your guide through the twists and turns of Wall Street. Let's dive into a week that's got everyone on their toes. Now, let's cut to the chase. Monday left us hanging with a pretty calm day on the surface, but don't let that fool you. The Dow, the Standard & Poor's 500, and the Nasdaq barely moved an inch from where they started, but the undercurrents were anything but quiet. After a Friday lift thanks to a robust jobs report, the week kicked off with investors wrestling with their expectations. The question on everyone's mind, is the Federal Reserve really gearing up to cut rates, or are we setting ourselves up for disappointment? And let's not overlook the yield on the 10-year Treasury, lingering at 4.42%. It's like a hawk circling overhead, reminding us that the bond market's moves could swoop in and shake things up at any moment. But wait, there's more stirring the pot. From the Fed's mixed messages and the looming presidential election to the recent uptick in oil prices amid Middle East tensions, it's clear we're navigating through a thicket of uncertainties. And all these elements are turning up the heat on Wednesday's Consumer Price Index release. Will inflation show signs of cooling, or are we in for more surprises? Shifting gears to corporate America, Delta Airlines is on deck to kick off the earnings season on Wednesday, followed closely by the heavyweights of the banking world on Friday. With the dazzling March labor figures still in the rearview, the expectations are high for S&P 500 companies to deliver a stellar year of earnings growth. And amidst all this anticipation, gold glimmers brighter than ever, touching a new record above $2,350 an ounce, while oil barrels dance close to their recent peaks, keeping us on our toes with every rise and fall in prices. So, there you have it. A week that promises to be anything but boring. As we wait for the Fed's next move, keep an eye on inflation trends, and gear up for a fresh batch of corporate earnings. It's clear the market's on a tightrope, and you can bet we'll be here every step of the way to break it down for you. That's it for today's episode of Capital Markets Quickie. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, whether the market zigs or zags, staying informed is your best bet. I'll catch you tomorrow with a brand new episode. Have a great day, everyone. Cheerio.